Ashwatthama's birth was no ordinary event. His father, Dronacharya, was a great warrior and the teacher of princes. Dronacharya wanted a son who would be the greatest warrior of all time, someone who could carry on his legacy. After many years of praying and making sacrifices to the gods, his wish was granted, and Ashwatthama was born. But even before he was born, everyone knew this child was destined for greatness. When Ashwatthama was born, it's said that he cried so loudly that it sounded like the roar of a horse. Everyone who heard it was amazed. But there was something even more special about him. A bright gem, known as the Mani, was on his forehead. This gem wasn't just for decoration, it was a sign of divine power. The Mani gave Ashwatthama amazing powers, protecting him from hunger, thirst, and tiredness. It made him nearly unstoppable, a warrior like no other. As Ashwatthama grew up, his father, Dronacharya, taught him everything he knew about fighting and war. Ashwatthama quickly became a master of weapons and strategies. He was incredibly strong, brave, and loyal, especially to his father and his close friend, Duryodhana, who was the leader of the Kauravas. The friendship between Ashwatthama and Duryodhana was very strong. They were like brothers, always standing by each other no matter what. But this loyalty would eventually lead Ashwatthama down a dark and tragic path. The Mahabharata tells us about the great Kurukshetra war, a battle that would decide the future of an entire kingdom. This war was fought between the Pandavas and the Kauravas, cousins who had become enemies over who should rule the kingdom. The battlefield of Kurukshetra was where the greatest warriors of the time fought, and Ashwatthama was one of them. Ashwatthama fought bravely on the side of the Kauravas. Every day, he faced fierce battles, showing his incredible strength and skills. But as the war went on, the Kauravas started losing. Many of Duryodhana's brothers and allies were killed. Despite all his efforts, Ashwatthama couldn't stop the Kauravas from losing. His dear friend Duryodhana was seriously injured, and it seemed like the war was almost over. In this moment of deep sadness and anger, Ashwatthama made a vow. He promised to get revenge for the deaths of his friends. Driven by his grief and fury, he decided to do something terrible. Late one night, Ashwatthama sneaked into the camp of the Pandavas. There, in the darkness, he killed 5 people, thinking they were the Pandavas. But he was wrong. The people he killed were not the Pandavas, they were their innocent sons. When the news of this terrible act spread, it shocked everyone. Lord Krishna, who was the protector of the Pandavas, was furious. Ashwatthama had broken the sacred rules of war by attacking at night and killing innocent children. This was an unforgivable sin. As punishment, Krishna cursed Ashwatthama. He told Ashwatthama that he would live forever, but in great pain. The gem on Ashwatthama's forehead, which had once made him powerful, was now going to be the source of his suffering. Krishna ripped the gem from Ashwatthama's forehead, leaving a wound that would never heal. This wound would bleed forever, reminding Ashwatthama of the terrible thing he had done. Because of this curse, Ashwatthama was doomed to wander the earth for eternity, always alone and in pain. He was no longer the great warrior he once was, but a lonely, tormented soul, cursed to walk the earth forever, unseen and unheard, carrying the burden of his guilt. Ashwatthama became one of the 7 Chiranjeevi, the immortals in Hindu tradition. These beings are said to live on through the ages, but Ashwatthama's immortality was a punishment, not a blessing. It is believed that Ashwatthama still wanders the earth, bearing the weight of his past mistakes. Some people claim to have seen him near ancient temples or deep in forests, a tall, sad figure with a bleeding forehead. Others say he is seen near holy rivers, quietly watching the world that has moved on without him. Ashwatthama's story is a powerful reminder of the consequences of our actions, especially when we are driven by strong emotions. His life, filled with both great achievements and terrible mistakes, teaches us that even the mightiest warriors can fall if they lose sight of what is right. And so, his story endures, a timeless tale of heroism, tragedy, and the search for redemption. Over the years, many stories have been told about people who say they have seen Ashwatthama in different parts of India. There are many proofs about Ashwatthama still walking around in the modern world. If you want to see a video about it, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon of History Portal, because we will be posting a video about it shortly. Thanks for watching.